Ever wondered why making money from home seems to be such a struggle? It's a common question, and the reasons are manifold. Perhaps it's the lack of clear direction, not knowing where to start or what path to follow, or it could be the myriad distractions that home life inevitably presents. And let's not forget the challenge of sifting through the sea of opportunities out there, trying to discern the genuine from the bogus. But what if there was a proven method to earn money from home? Enter affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing might sound straightforward, but it does require some effort. Here are the steps to get you started. First, you need to choose your platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even social media. Remember, the platform should be where your target audience hangs out. Second, decide on your niche. This is a specific area or topic that you'll focus on. Your niche should be something you're passionate about and have a good knowledge of. It could be anything from gardening to technology to fitness. Third, join an affiliate program. There are plenty to choose from, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Do your research and pick the one that offers products or services that align with your niche. Fourth, choose products to promote. Pick items that are relevant to your niche and that you think your audience will be interested in. Remember, your aim is to add value to your audience, not just to make sales. Fifth, create quality content. This is key to attracting and retaining your audience. Your content should be engaging, informative, and provide value. It should also include your affiliate links in a natural and non-pushy way. The sixth step is to drive traffic to your affiliate site. You can do this through SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and even paid advertising. The more traffic you get, the higher your chances of earning commission from your affiliate links. And finally, get clicks on your affiliate links. This is where the rubber meets the road. You need to encourage your audience to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. You can do this by providing honest product reviews, creating compelling call to actions, and offering exclusive deals or discounts. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success in the world of affiliate marketing. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points about affiliate marketing. This innovative method of earning money from home is all about promoting other people's products or services for a commission. It's an attractive option for many because it offers the potential for passive income and the flexibility to work from anywhere. At its core, affiliate marketing is a simple three-step process. First, you choose a product or service that you're passionate about. Then, you promote it to your audience, whether that's on your blog, your social media platforms, or your YouTube channel. And finally, when someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. But it's not all roses and rainbows. Patience, consistency, and a well-planned strategy are the pillars of successful affiliate marketing. It's not something you can rush, nor is it something you can do half-heartedly. It's a business. And like any business, it requires dedication and hard work. Remember, affiliate marketing is not about making a quick buck. It's about building relationships with your audience, providing them with valuable content, and promoting products or services that can genuinely benefit them. It's about bringing value to the table, and in return, you'll earn a piece of the profit pie. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with time, effort, and strategy, it can be an effective way to make money from home.